In ADMO, your workflows are supported by event planning. In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the maintenance pane and how to create and execute a commissioning event. If you select the substation, voltage level, or feeder in the location pane, the maintenance pane displays an overview of all the assets and their statuses. If you select a specific asset, such as a protective relay, the life cycle of this asset is displayed. The colors correspond to the asset's maintenance intervals. The legend gives you an overview of the different symbols used for the events. You can also define your own event types in the global settings. To do this, you need administrator rights. Please watch our video tutorial on how to manage global settings in ADMO to learn more about this. In our example, we define the types battery change and recommissioning. Let's add a new commissioning event. During your test in the substation, you can use this dialog for documentation and also for starting your protection tests. In the Firmware tab, you can document if you needed to update the firmware and also add the corresponding firmware files. If you want to revise or update the settings in the relay, use the Settings tab. Please also refer to our video on how to manage setting revisions for more information on this. On the next tab, you can prepare the test. You can either use a template or use a prepared test plan. To start your test, simply double-click the file and Test Universe will open. At the end of your test, save your results, and they will be automatically saved into ADMO. You can also add the test that you used to your documentation. Before we close the commissioning dialog, we want to report an incident which we noticed during our test. Finally, we update the event status and assess the test. The new event is now visible in the timeline, and the maintenance cycles have updated accordingly. Now you've learned how to support your maintenance workflows by planning events in ADMO. Please also watch our other ADMO video tutorials to learn more about the software.